Hey there, welcome back to MotoVentures KE. Today we'll guide you through the essential process of cleaning and lubricating your motorcycle chain for optimal performance. We'll be using kerosene as a degreaser, followed by a thorough cleaning and lubrication routine. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Degreasing with kerosene. Start by placing a tray or basin under the chain to catch any drips. Apply kerosene generously to the chain, making sure to cover all sides. Use a brush or an old toothbrush to scrub away the built-up grime and grease. This will effectively break down stubborn dirt and debris. Step 2. Soapy water rinse. Next, rinse the chain with soapy water solution. This will help remove any remaining kerosene residue and ensure a clean surface. Use a sponge or cloth to wipe down the chain thoroughly, reaching all the hooks and crannies. If you don't have a cloth next to you, you can also use a spray bottle. It works pretty well. Step 3. Rinse with water. Now give the chain a good rinse with regular water to remove the soap and leave it squeaky clean. Use a hose or a bucket of water for this step. Ensure that there is no soap residue left on the chain. Again, the spray bottle comes in handy if you don't have a hose or bucket of water. Step 4. Drying. Allow the chain to air dry completely. This is crucial to prevent water spots and ensure the chain is perfectly dry before applying lubricant. You can speed up the drying process with a clean dry cloth, or if you have compressed air, you can blow the chain. Step 5. Applying the chain lube. Once the chain is dry, it's time to apply a high quality motorcycle chain lubricant. Make sure to coat the entire length of the chain evenly. Spin the rear wheel to distribute the lubricant thoroughly and let it penetrate the links. And there you have it, a clean and well-lubricated motorcycle chain ready for your next adventure. Remember, regular maintenance is key to extending the life of your chain and ensuring a smooth ride. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more motorcycle maintenance tips. Ride safe.